Stop dreaming about pizza. Imagine a world where you can indulge in your favorite comfort food without any guilt. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're going to make a high-protein, keto-friendly pizza that's not only delicious but also nutritious. This recipe is perfect for those who are looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply enjoy a healthier version of pizza. So, let's dive right in and turn that dream into reality. Make this muscle-building keto pizza and enjoy every bite. Here's what you need. Gather your ingredients and get ready to create a masterpiece in your kitchen. This pizza is not just any pizza, it's a powerhouse of protein and healthy fats that will keep you energized and satisfied. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just someone who loves good food, this recipe is for you. You'll need 4 eggs, creamy ricotta cheese, a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and some slices of ham or salami. These ingredients are the building blocks of our keto pizza. The eggs will form the base, providing a rich source of protein. The ricotta and mozzarella cheeses add a creamy texture and a burst of flavor, while the ham or salami gives it that classic pizza taste. And don't forget your favorite toppings like green onions or mushrooms. These veggies not only add a pop of color but also pack in extra nutrients. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. You can add bell peppers, olives, spinach, or even some jalapenos if you like a bit of heat. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started. First, grease a frying pan with olive oil and set it on medium heat. The olive oil will prevent the eggs from sticking and add a rich flavor to the base. Make sure the pan is evenly coated for the best results. Next, whisk your 4 eggs in a bowl until they are well beaten. This step is crucial as it ensures that the eggs cook evenly and form a sturdy base for our pizza. Once the eggs are ready, pour them into the preheated pan. As the eggs cook, you'll notice them starting to set around the edges. Be patient and let the eggs cook until they are firm on the bottom. Next, carefully flip the base. Flipping the eggs can be a bit tricky, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. Use a spatula to gently lift the edges and flip the eggs in one swift motion. This step is important as it ensures that the eggs are fully cooked and form a solid base for our pizza. This is your pizza base, so try not to break it. A sturdy base is key to holding all the delicious toppings we're about to add. Once the eggs are cooked, it's time to start building our pizza. Next, spread a generous layer of ricotta cheese on top of your egg base. The ricotta cheese is essentially replacing tomato sauce and adds a creamy texture and a mild flavor that complements the eggs perfectly. Use a spoon to spread the cheese evenly, covering the entire surface of the egg base. Add your diced ham or salami and any other toppings you love. This is where you can get creative and customize your pizza to your liking. Whether you prefer a classic combination of ham and cheese or want to experiment with different toppings, the choice is yours. Just make sure to distribute the toppings evenly for a balanced flavor. Now sprinkle on a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella cheese will melt beautifully, creating a gooey, cheesy layer that's irresistible. Make sure to spread the cheese evenly for the best results. More cheese? Yes, please. Spread it all evenly. Now return the pizza back to the pan, which is still set to medium heat. You can add another teaspoon of olive oil to prevent sticking. Cover the pan with a plate to let the cheese melt. This step is crucial as it allows the cheese to melt evenly without burning the base. The steam created by covering the pan helps the cheese melt faster and more evenly. Check every minute until it's ooey gooey and deliciously melted. You'll know it's ready when it's all melted. Now carefully slide your pizza onto a chopping board and slice it up. Use a spatula to gently lift the edges and slide the pizza onto a chopping board. Let it cool for a minute before slicing it into pieces. This will make it easier to cut and serve. And there you have it. A quick, nutritious, and filling keto pizza that's perfect for packing muscle, dropping weight, and fueling your workouts. This pizza is not only delicious but also packed with protein and healthy fats that will keep you full and satisfied. It's the perfect meal for any time of the day. Enjoy every bite and feel the power of good food. Take a moment to savor the flavors and appreciate the effort you put into making it. Share it with friends and family, or enjoy it all by yourself. For more high-protein recipes like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember your health is your wealth.